We made a golf course on the lake, which during the daytime was fun, but at night went bad. It started with lights around the golf course, just a little bit of snow. It was a beautiful night for night golf.
We have a fairway here. It's a par 3. Glow balls with Teresa. Hi.
Hi.
Aaron.
Hello.
And it's snowing like a banshee on the golf course tonight. You gonna take a shot?
I don't have one. Do you bring one out?
As soon as you hit it, it lights back up. Oh! Down the fairway for Aaron. Aaron's shot. Oh!
Caught up in the moment, we barely noticed the wind starting to blow harder and the snow falling faster.
You hit the snow bunker. Oh my. Good shot. It's like Superman's kryptonite there.
I didn't want to move.
We got a short respite as the ladies teed off on the second hole.
Oh, you're just off the fairway to the right.
But that would not last very long.
Oh! Right down the fairway? Oh, whoa! Whoa, ball, whoa!
And just like that, it hit us.
We are playing blizzard golf.
We're playing snow golf. Here we go.
Look back at the fairway. It's a look back at the Lord. There you go. Whoa!
At this point, Teresa wants to get a shot of the snow blowing by my headlamp sideways.
Tap in. Where the hell are we? Oh my God!
Getting the ball in the hole is going to be quite a task.
Oh!
But there is no quit in these two.
Oh, honey, tap in. Oh, it!
Blizzard or no blizzard, they're going to finish this hole.
Holy f***, y'all. This is f***ing cold.
You should show me that.
They make it through, no worse for the wear, still laughing, and that's all that matters. Group shot, please. And we leave you with the walking backwards in a blizzard, sights and sounds.